Hello, this is Dean Malone with Compass FX. Hope you're doing well today and you're getting some good trades. We've all heard it said, trade with the trend because the trend is your friend. Well, that is until the trend comes to an end. And I want to talk about a trade today that was done by a trader within the Dodge trade room, and he shared this trade with us. He made us aware of a potential setup and he caught it. And so I'm going to do a little shout out to Chad today because he made a great trade today, which was a counter trend trade, a reversal trade, which is pretty tough to do at times. But if you have the Dots method or you're considering the Dots method, you want to watch what I talk about here. You want to watch how to catch a counter trend trade using the Dots method. So when you have the Dots method applied to your chart, look at the short-term guppies and how they work with the long-term guppies. Here we have a situation where the market came back over, and like last time it came back over, challenged the long-term guppies and then pushed away. This time around the market comes back into the long-term guppies and then pushes back out, but not so far, and then comes back down. And now we have the short-term guppies going through the long-term guppies. This is what Darrell Guppy referred to as the penetration phase, where the market's trying to move in the opposite direction. Well, this is what Chad did. We're sitting here right on a Dots level. And check out what he did here. Goes down to the 5-minute chart, and he starts looking for certain aspects of the market that would suggest a counter trend move. We're no longer going long, but there's a possibility of a short setup here. Well, if you take a look at this, you can see in the 5-minute chart, we have a double top pattern here. That is a short bias. Market pushes through. Now what we're looking for here is for the market to resume the upward direction, but it doesn't do that. As a matter of fact, we get another little double top action and we get a rollover in the long-term guppies. This is where the Guppy multiple moving averages literally roll over. They were going long, now they're rolling over and looking to go short. And that all happens right near the open of the New York session. And we're sitting here right next to a Dots level, the buy stop loss level. One of the things we look to do in the Dots trade room is look from level to level if we have a proper trade set up. Well, this is a pretty good trade setup. It was a counter trend move. Wasn't sure what it was going to do as far as how far it might go, but we had a beautiful setup right there. He takes the trade and trades it from level to level to level. It pushed a little bit lower, came back up, but he ends out the trade, and this was a nice little trade here. He catches a trade here, folks, for nearly 70 pips. A great counter trend trade. I mean, when was the last time you can catch a counter trend reversal trade for that many pips? Beautiful trade, especially when we saw a lot of strength into the Canadian dollar today. So a shout out to Chad, one of the traders in the Dots trade room, who's helping other traders catch trades like this. So listen, folks, we're doing this day in and day out. Today was a great day. We picked up trades in the Kiwi, picked up trades in the yen, picked up trades in the Euro Kiwi, the Pound Kiwi. We had some great trades today. And we're using the Dots method. If you haven't seen the Dots method yet, or you've been thinking about it, go check it out. www.compassfx.com/dots. And for those of you who would like to join us in our Dots trade room, go over to www.compassfx.com/dots trade, and you can learn more about how you can become a member of the Dots trade room. Well, again, shout out to Chad. Great trade today. Thanks for letting us know about this trade today, and some of us were able to jump on it. Y'all make it a great day. Get some good trades. We'll talk to you next time. Bye-bye.